The most likely service you're going to have to perform on SCR will be covered by these 5 tests that Ford has built into their scan tool. This is using the IDS. We've come down to special functions. Go on to the SCR system, and under the SCR system we have these. Let's talk about each one of them. First, we're going to look at the SCR system emptying. If we want to empty this system, this procedure decompresses and empties the line, get them ready to put it all back in the tank so we can disconnect the tank and not spill any fluid. This is very important because remember, this fluid is extremely corrosive. Make sure we've depressurized and emptied it completely before you start removing it. Then we need to set the refill. This procedure is after replacing the tank, you reset the refill strategy and get it all set back up and walk through it. Then there's the visual leak test. This procedure is going to pressurize the system so we can visually inspect for leaks, and we're going to show you what the results are when we start that. I want you to look first at the tank pressure, 0 psi. Press the check mark on the far right when you're ready to start. Then it says begin visual tank inspection. If you want to abort this test, click the stop button here. Right now at the reductant tank pressure is 71.567 psi. So you press the check mark when you're finished, and we go back and do our last thing. If we want to measure to make sure we're getting the right dose, this procedure will inject a specifically commanded amount of DEF, and you collect it into a measuring cup so you can measure it. So this gives us all the ability to do the checks we need to do if we have a problem with the dosing system. And this is the newest system on the 6.7. So now you have the overview of all the systems working together.